If you sell stock footage that was filmed with a DJI drone, then this tutorial is for you. Today, we will show you how to use your drone metadata to create detailed descriptions and keywords with Viscriptix. Let's say you spent the year filming with your DJI drone, dumping terabytes of unprocessed, uncategorized footage into your archives. You then use an editor to trim, color correct, and render high-quality, metadata-free master videos. To deliver as stock footage, you will also need to submit a spreadsheet containing a title, description, and keywords. You will then have two options for generating your descriptions. The first option is to create them by writing them manually. To write a manual description, you are going to have to either remember the location details or manually find the source and telemetry files. You will also need to spend time observing the video to create an accurate description of the subject matter and camera movement. The second option is to use an AI API to describe your footage to whatever specifications you want. But without metadata, the artificial intelligence is just guessing at the time, date, locations, and landmarks. Viscriptix improves on both of these methods and automates the entire process, so you can just select files and press AI Describe. First, it matches your deliverable master video to its source video in your archive. It will extract and analyze telemetry to determine camera movement, time of day, location, and landmarks. Then it will submit this information with your video frames to your AI API provider to produce a detailed and accurate description. You will need to have your own OpenAI or Gemini API key, or use Ollama for offline, cost-free descriptions. There are no middlemen or subscription services between you and your AI provider, ensuring your business stays your business. Before you try using Viscriptix to describe a large number of media, you need to specify your lookup options and verify that they are set correctly. So let's go ahead, set up the application for video archive lookups, and run a test before we do an AI Describe. Go to Lookup Options. You need to check the box for date/location/device info from video archive. Then, show us the evidence. Set the path to your drone archive folder. To win this case, we are going to need to read through all of those videos and build a hash index. If we do this now, subsequent video lookups will be executed quickly. But make sure check SRT date/location, SRT telemetry, and proxy mode are on. Proxy mode will speed up hash building only if there are existing proxies available in your archives. For now, turn off AI mode so we can verify that lookups are working before spending AI tokens. Select the drone videos that you've cut and color corrected. Then press the Describe button or press Ctrl D. When you need justice, you need the best. And now, my son is here to ensure our legacy of success continues. We mean business. And my business is making sure your keywords don't suck.
Now that Describe is running, Viscriptix is doing its due diligence to find your source videos and extract their metadata and telemetry. That information is used to determine the camera move. For example, this shot would be classified as pulling back. Viscriptix will only extract telemetry for the portion of the source video that is represented in the selected video. It uses this telemetry segment to make a more accurate description of camera movement. In addition to camera move, Viscriptix will determine time of day, season, holidays, and extract camera settings. This is all performed offline at no token cost. These details are added to the database and, if OpenAI Describe is turned off, are added to the title and keywords as well. While Viscriptix has sophisticated search capabilities, it does make mistakes. It can tolerate a degree of change in color, cropping, and features, but this can also lead to inaccurate results. This is where the comparison browser comes in. It allows you to rapidly audit your source file matches. Toggle the Compare button to enter the comparison browser. After identifying potential mismatches, the browser will display thumbnail pairs of videos and their sources. You can quickly scan all match pairs visually. Potential mismatches will be highlighted in orange. If you confirm that a file is a mismatch, press the W key and it will never get matched to the same source media again. From there, you can either try to find the source with manual lookup, or you can search for the media again by pressing Describe. Here you can also browse the results of the describe operation and verify that location, landmarks, and camera movement are correct. When we enable AI mode, this information is going to be incorporated into the AI description. Turn on AI mode. The button will now say AI Describe and display the estimated cost. It should be noted that it is not required to do a regular describe before doing an AI describe. Press the AI Describe button and select Yes in the confirmation dialog. We gather all relevant evidence, including motion, location, manual classifications, and contact sheets. Viscriptix then forwards these assets to your selected AI provider for a complete forensic analysis. And that's it. Now you have a detailed, context-specific description and keywords ready to upload with your stock footage or integrate into your automated editing workflow. From here, you can click the Export button to export spreadsheets to the stock footage agencies of your choice.
You don't have to spend your life behind a desk.
Let Viscriptix do the work.